Hello guys, what's going on? It's GZP here. Today we're joined with AFX playing speed builds on Mineplex. I'm talking really fast so the game's about to start.
I'm
oh
not
god.
Okay,
3
so
by 2 all the
okay,
way.
this one's fine, this one's fine.
Okay, I know what I'm doing, so we've got to do it. Okay.
Oh, they got the grass laid out for you as well.
Oh, well, much easier.
Make sure your pillars are...
Yeah. Work.
Right, I'm done.
Sorry, I should not be singing.
Perfect match.
How did you do that so quick, James? I'm done.
I'm just
There
like
we go.
a
Good
tank
roll.
on it.
Okay, well at least we got past the first round. Well, James, no, we got the 9-year-old in our game.
We.
You guys, you don't know this Cassie
Cassie
2007,
2007.
she's 9, and she's a bit OP. She won the last game that we didn't record because we got wrecked. But yeah,
100%.
if you see in it, that means this went well. Bye bye. Sub You were too young for us. The door was not
hungry.
3,
Remember the...
1, 3, 1.
Oh, how high was it? I've forgotten already.
Bye bye. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. Wait, what? Oh, there's a. I didn't see the stained glass in my thing. Okay.
I've messed this up.
Glass to right,
Yeah. Awkward. Yeah.
Great. I think you find gems. That person.
Oh, I just missed out the slab, did I? No, that was meant to be down a layer, wasn't it?
Yeah, I did the perfect place.
70%.
Me and my girl Cassie, I think. No, just
Like,
me. I was the
okay.
only one to get a perfect build.
Look at that scrub. Were you?
Yeah. I'm just too dead. Oh, my next door neighbour's gone. Christmas.
Christmas
Oh, carpets as well.
The tree's like really smashed across the stage.
1, 2, 3. Looks a bit like a penis.
Wow. Okay. Center block, where is it?
Oh wait, that's not even the center block.
There.
3, 4. There. Oh wait, I need to get up there. There's a block up there, and like that.
Oh, I'm messing this up.
How do people finish this one so quick?
Yeah. I've messed up.
Oh no, I know I looked done it right, but the time,
I'm out.
the struggles. Oh,
No! Mine was terrible.
Oh, but
I was nowhere near it.
Oh, no, this person's out. This, how we...
I still got 75%.
James, this Kiwi Cutie guy only did the carpet on and that's all he did. Well, he did.
I didn't. My carpet sprung from the very beginning.
Top 5 lads.
Messing up.
Oh no.
Oh, I'm not doing very well in these, but...
Okay, so it's like N1. Oh, the top bit, the top bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Wait, was this was the top? Yeah. Oh,
Pink, yellow.
brown all corners, yellow.
Don't pick me, please. 87%.
Oh no. I got
Okay.
81%.
Oh, Jim.
Oh,
Jim.
I was too close.
Top 3. Alright, we gotta win. One of us
I got
gotta win.
81% there. Villager. Oh, right.
Okay.
Table.
Oh no.
Villager.
Jim, we're not
Oh, I was trying to memorize the floor.
Yes, yeah. I think I have why does
Why am I stuck? I'm stuck in the block. I can't do anything. Obviously out of this. 29. Oh, that is terrible. I bet again. There we go. I didn't get place.
Oh, okay.
Wrong block.
Oh gosh.
Okay.
Oh wow.
Well, that was a bit unlucky.
Okay. Oh, we came second and third.
Cassie, it was Cassie.
She's a god.
Seriously.
GG.
This
Oh,
person.
I can't say
I got
that.
second place.
Okay. Well, thank you all
Second
for
place.
watching. Subscribe for more, and that's peace from both of us. Goodbye.